How to use Yardi Voyager full guide 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Yardi Voyager. So first of all, you have to log into your portal, access your account via your company's custom Yardi URL, your company.yardivoyager.com, and after that you have to use your assigned username and secure password. If MFA is enabled, complete verification using email, SMS or authenticator. And for the interface overview, upper toolbar modules like operations, leasing, accounting, report and admin, and search bar is quickly pull up properties, units, tenants, vendors, and home dashboards, shows alerts like lease renewals, expiring agreements, and quick links. And core modules and workflows are create new lease, and you can access applicant portal and waitlist and renewals. And the account and financial sections is general ledger and AR or AP, and tenant billing like generates invoices, processes rent, splits charges, tracks receipts, and reconciliations like monthly bank and credit card sync, deposit matches, reporting outputs like income or expense aging, trial balance, and cash flow. And for maintenance and work orders, submit MA request, assign and track work order statuses. And reporting and analytics are user built-in dashboards. Use data connect for custom SQL reporting on analytics. For built-in charts and export data to Excel or PDF, schedule recurring automated reports. And admin setup essentials are import and setup data, GL configuration, use roles and permissions, and integration setup. And the troubleshooting common issues are missing interface items, data errors, slow performance. And the summary is login, navigate modules, process leasing, accountings and maintenance workflows, load property data and configure permissions, run reports and analyze KPIs, train on the Aspire, and set business best practice. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.